overhead bins to prevent injury from items that may have shifted during flight, and you may now use your mobile devices. Before you leave the aircraft, please be sure to check your seat pocket, overhead bins, and floor area around your seat for any personal items you may have brought on board. And we invite you to visit Delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for your flight and managing your SkyMiles account. We do have a very big favor to ask now that we're on the ground, and especially once we're parked at the gate and the door is open. This plane is going to get very warm very quickly. If you wouldn't mind reaching up and opening the little air vents above your seat if they're not already open, that's going to help keep your deplaning process a lot more comfortable if those air vents are open. And after we're parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off, if you're next to a window, if you can lower your window shade as well, that's going to keep the temperature a little more bearable aboard during your deplaning process. So we do appreciate your assistance in advance for that. On behalf of Delta, SkyTeam, our global partners, and your Orlando-based flight attendants, we thank you again for sharing your journey with us. We've enjoyed having you on board and look forward to serving you again soon. Have a wonderful day.